In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task queues in HubSpot. Task queues are a simple way to batch your follow-ups, calls, and to-dos, so you can move through your day with fewer clicks and more focus. Think of them as organized playlists for your tasks. You press play and work your way through with a clear purpose. Start on your HubSpot homepage. From the main navigation, move your cursor over the CRM section, then click Tasks. This brings you to your central task workspace, where you can view everything that's due, filter by status, and manage how you want to work. If you're just getting started, setting up a dedicated queue now will help you streamline your process later, especially when you're handling a lot of similar activities like outreach or follow-ups. On the Tasks page, look for the option labeled Manage Queues. Click that to open the area where all your queues live. Here, you can see any existing queues and create new ones. To build a fresh workflow, click Create Task Queue. This opens a simple setup panel that guides you through the essentials without adding clutter. Next, give your queue a clear, descriptive name. A good name should instantly tell you what goes into the queue, such as morning prospecting, renewal follow-ups, or post-demo outreach. Consistent naming pays off when your list grows, so consider a format like team will function frequency if you collaborate with others. Avoid generic labels. Specificity helps you pick the right queue at a glance. Now choose your queue access type. This determines who can use and see the queue. Private queues are great for personal workflows where only you will be processing the tasks. Shared queues work well for teams that follow the same playbook, like a sales or success pod handing off tasks throughout the day. Pick the option that best matches how you and your team operate. If you're unsure, start private. You can always create a shared queue later once your process is dialed in. When everything looks good, click Save. Your task queue is now ready. From here, you can keep working in the tasks view, and as you create or edit tasks, assign them to this queue to keep related work bundled together. A quick pro tip: use concise, action-oriented task titles so your queue flows smoothly when you sit down to execute. That's it. Your queue is set up and you're ready to work more efficiently in HubSpot. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.